Nga ka-decline ang imong application. Well, having a job or stable income doesn't automatically mean that your loan will be approved. Banks also check your credit history, your existing loans, and your payment behavior. Many buyers don't even know what a credit score is, and that's where problem begins. I can help you assess if you're ready for approval even before you apply. Message me for a quick, no obligation pre-check, and let's avoid wasting time and effort. By the way, I'm Marvin Balenya, former top 2 car salesman of 2024 under Grand Canyon Multi Holdings Incorporated, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I have received trophies, awards, prizes, certificates. I don't work for any dealerships. I'm just a guide. Nagdako ko sa Umas na Rafael, pero taga-dili lang ako sa Lapas, Sililo.
With a cash prize of 50,000 pesos. Congratulations, Marvin Balenya. With a 25 cash reward. Congratulations, Marvin Balenya.
Hi, Papa! Habang lumalaki yung kanya.